A software is any program that runs on a computer system. A program is simply a series of instructions that direct a computer system to accomplish a task. We will visit this idea in more detail later. Computer software come in two flavors, system software and application software. The system software is a set of programs that run at the lower level of a computer system to manage the hardware devices that make up the system. They are the reason that even though these devices are made by different manufacturers, they all seem to work together seamlessly as a unit. Without the system software, the entire computer system would be a giant mess. Examples of system software are operating systems. These are software found on your computer when you buy it. There are three main operating systems for medium and large size computers. Windows from Microsoft. Windows is by far the most popular operating system in the world. It can be found on computers and devices made by most computer manufacturers. If you've been to the hospital or the bank recently, the computer your doctor or your bank teller used probably had Windows on it. Almost every ATM machine you come across runs Windows as their operating system. macOS from Apple. It can be found only on Apple laptops and desktops. Linux, the grandfather of operating systems. In recent times, it is only favored by advanced computer users, even though it is as easy to use as macOS and Windows. For mobile devices like your smartphones and tablets, there are two main operating systems. Android, by far the most popular mobile operating system. It's an open source project managed by Google, and it can be found on devices from manufacturers including Samsung, LG, and most recently Microsoft. iOS, found only on Apple iPhones and iPads. In addition to Android and iOS, there are other operating systems like Samsung Tizen OS, which runs on their smart TVs and other smart devices like refrigerators, and WebOS, which runs on LG smart TVs and some other smart devices. Firmware and drivers. These are specialized operating systems that come with computer devices like graphic cards, printers, cameras, etc. They are similar to operating system except that they are specifically made for the device with which they come. For example, my Canon EOS 6D Mark II came with a firmware that was made specifically for it. While I could get a copy of Windows and install it on any device that meets its hardware requirement, I could not get a copy of the EOS 6D's firmware and install it on any other camera. Regardless of the operating system, all modern operating systems are capable of multitasking, which means they are capable of managing multiple programs running at the same time. In fact, that is why you are able to use your computer's browser to watch YouTube while at the same time taking notes in OneNote or Microsoft Word.